I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Amazon products that I have bought for my transformation of my storage into an art studio / office for my small business. I already opened some of them just to make sure that everything has arrived. I opened it from the wrong side. You see how it has the cubbies? There's supposed to be other ones. This one's a hot mess. I'm gonna put the cubbies back in and I'll show you guys what it looks like. We'll see what goes in here. I bought a Canon printer. This is the Canon Pixma printers. I'm not about to open that up. Just know it's the Canon Pixma. Okay. Got this tarp to lay on the floor of my storage. The tarp matches the color of my logo for my business. Also, I had to pull this out of the box that was with the tarp. And this is cubbies for my yarn. I got 3 of them. I'm gonna stand them on top of each other. And then I got a carpet, which is also matches the colors of my business logo. I bought me an LED light, so it's not a light with bulbs. It plugs in, but there's just no bulbs in it. It's LED. So I got 2 of these.